You presented the plan kay Inday Sara, Vice President Sara, for her approval. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Gipakita na ko sa iya.
In this case, did she provide any feedback on the stated generic, coming from your own mouth, good governance program?
Unsa, Your Honor?
Nihatag ba, I'm sure you know feedback, nihatag ba og feedback si Vice President Sara Duterte sa sinabi mong generic good governance program? Katong imong gipakita ang plano para sa iyahang approval.
Gibasa lang niya, Your Honor, pag human og basa, ning perma siya.
Yan. Saan po pumirma si Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Sa parte ng plano. Saan dyan?
Sa approve.
Approved by. Showing on screen, approved by Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Agency Head, Department Secretary, LCE.
With the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo?
Mr. President, I have here the transcript of the hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po nung November, Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. Ang tanong po sa kanya ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po. It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. What is this? I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary. And she's a government official. She doesn't know what discretionary means is. I mean, what it means. Dito po, puro sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Yes po. Are you aware? Opo. O may authority, special disbursing officer. Kasi po, wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Mr. President, tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in Tagalog. Kahit po yung mga Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog, ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know, Ms. Witness, you can understand Tagalog, you can speak Tagalog dahil nandito po ito. Ilang pahina po ito. Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. Abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po, sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Ms. Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken. Attorney Ligutan, to abbreviate the proceedings, kindly choose one language, English or Filipino, in asking the question. You don't have to translate each time unless the witness requests you to do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preferably use Filipino, Attorney Ligutan,
Opo,
as I'm
opo.
sure
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
well versed with it as well. Para
Yes,
mas maunawaan po
Mr.
ni Ms.
Presiding-
Gina.
Honorable Presiding Officer.
You may proceed, Counsel.
Ma'am, naitubig. There's water if you want to drink water po, ha?
Yes.
Drink water. Now, since you said inaprubahan po ng Vice President yung plano, kasama sa inaprubahan ng Vice President yung generic good governance program.
I-approve niya, Your Honor.
Okay. In fact, ma'am, Yun din po yung naging tugon nyo sa same line of questioning noong November 25, 2024, as shown by that portion of that transcript. You confirm that it was may approval po ng head of agency at saka yung head of agency is the respondent in this case, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Mhm.
Honor.
Let's proceed po sa susunod na punto. Let's go to the fiscal and financial plan naman. This time, para naman sa 2023. From Good Governance Program, ma'am, this time, Attorney J, it can be seen sa plano, this time, hindi na Good Governance Program, kundi nakasulat dyan, Socio-Economic Program Delivery.
With the indulgence of counsel, can the tech please zoom in? Yes, kindly zoom in on it.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Ms. Gina will please answer. Kindly confirm ang nakasulat na po sa 2023 ay yung Socio-Economic Program Delivery.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na po Good Governance Program.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed, Your Honor. But, sa 2023 Fiscal and Financial Plan, okay, yung expected outcome naman, nananatili 2022 na expected outcome. Nakasulat, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building for 2022, same expected outcome, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, mas malapit pa sa mikropono para po marinig. Again, may tubig dyan, ma'am, ha? If you want to drink water now. Therefore, masasabi natin, base sa dokumento, ma'am, yung 2023 Fiscal and Financial Plan, kopya lang. Kopya lang ng number 1, physical target galing sa 2022. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. The document would speak for itself because the prosecution is asking the witness what is already based on the document as the question is framed, Your Honor.
This-
Witness may answer. I'm just not so sure if she understands the word copy. But so, Ma'am Gina, pareho lang po ang nilalaman ng Fiscal and Financial Plan ng 2022 at 2023 maliban dun sa nag-iisang unang column. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Now, proceed. Same with budget for each quarter. Para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, 125 billion pesos. Para naman sa budget na hinihingi ng Office of the Vice President para sa unang quarter, pangalawang quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter ng 2023, ma'am. Kopyang-kopya yung amount. 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Tama, Your Honor, kay mao man na ang nakabutang sa GAA, Your Honor.
Yun. Proceed, Your Honor.
Yung may tama daw dahil yun daw ang nakalagay sa GA.
Both the 2022 Fiscal and Financial Plan and the 2023 version provided for broad program under po sa programs, activities, and projects. Sa 2022, Good Governance Program. Sa 2023 naman, Socio-Economic Program. Pero as to budget, pareho. Yes or no?
Pareho, Your Honor.
As to expected outcome, pareho.
Pareho, Your Honor.
All right. Now, let's go to this physical target naman. In the 2023 physical plan, Same observation ba, ma'am? Na nakasulat dyan, letter A, number, identified areas with surveillance conducted and monitored without, hindi po nakasulat dyan yung actual na numero. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Same with the letter B entry, percentage. Nakasulat dyan, percentage, the symbol symbolizing percentage of activities implemented without and toward security-related incidents without stating the actual percentage. Tama po ba? Walang number.
Tama po, Your
All
Honor.
right. In fact, you admitted, Madam, in the November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing that you have to consult Colonel La Chica on what to put in the physical and financial plan. Do you remember this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan. The programs, yung programa po, yung mga ini-expect nating resulta sa mga programa, yung mga targets ng mga plano, lahat ng ito ay gawa, ay galing kay Colonel La Chica. Di po ba?
Unsa to, Your Honor?
Mhm.
Ay, sorry, sorry.
I will repeat.
Kindly repeat, Counsel.
Tan.
Ang programa sa plano, ang expected outcome, ang target sa physical plan, galing kay Colonel La Chica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, what's the objection?
What's the
Ask and
objection, Counsel?
Asked and answered, Your Honor. The
Oh.
witness has already testified previously that security officer is providing inputs and guidance.
This is
Your Honor.
2023, Your Honor.
I think the question pertains to 2023 now. That was
Yes.
she answered with respect to 2022. Ma'am Gina, yung nangyari po ba ng 2023 galing kay Colonel La Chica?
Sa paggawa ng physical financial plan, Your Honor, kasama gyapon nako siya. Kasama ko siya, Your Honor. Sa kanya pa rin ako nanghingi ng inputs and guidelines po, Your Honor.
Yes.
So galing nga po sa kanya. Galing
Kaming-
kay Colonel La Chica yung inyong inputs na nilagay dito.
Kaming dalawa po, Your Honor, ang nag-discuss, Your Honor.
Mhm.
Counsel, your witness.
Let's go to that November 25, 2024 hearing. Ma'am, tinanong ka ni Representative Jinky Luistro. As a matter of fact, the financial plan does not bear at all the signature of or the name of Colonel La Chica. Ma'am, yung sagot nyo dyan, yes po. Pero sa kanya po ako humihingi ng inputs or information with regards to the implementation of all these projects included in the confidential funds. This is what you said under oath in November 25, 2024. Under oath.
Opo.
Tama po ba? Your Honor, please. Ma'am, did you answer? Opo?
Opo.
Opo, ma'am. Your Honor, it's 12. Can I ask one question and I move for lunch break?
Yes, Counsel, you
Before
may.
we proceed to the next question. Ito yung tanong now. Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Ay, yes, attorney.
opo. Sa lahat ng mga dokumento isinumitin nyo sa COA, Commission on Audit, the plan, accomplishment reports, liquidation reports, nakasaad ba dyan sa kahit anong dokumento yung sinasabi nyo na lahat ng inputs, yung sinulat nyo sa plano, lahat ng inputs sinulat nyo sa reporting to COA, nakasaad ba dyan yung pangalan ni Colonel La Chica? Yes
Objection,
or no?
Your Honor. The document would speak for itself, Your Honor.
That's a question the public is very much willing to hear.
Witness may answer. Counsel, let the witness answer. I think
Yes
she
or
knows
no?
the answer anyway.
Yes or no?
Tama ba pag understand ko sa question mo, Your Honor, na sa lahat ng mga dokumento na isubmit ko
Plano, physical plan, ma'am.
physical plan,
Okay, sa accomplishment report
accomplishment
mismo,
report,
sa liquidation report,
sa liquidation report.
sa certification na successful yung paggamit, tama yung paggamit ng plano. May isang dokumento ba doon? Ma'am, limited po tayo doon, ha? Na ipinakita nyo sa publiko na si Colonel La Chica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng input sa mga plano, saka siya yung nag-implement ng mga programs, activities. Meron ba doon? Yes or no?
Wala.
Move forward. Lunch break, or please.
Ma'am Gina, kain muna tayo para makahinga at relax kayo. ng
Sige
konti
po.
rin.
Mas better po, attorney. Ay, Your Honor.
Okay lang po, ma'am. Okay, mag-alala doon. Pahinga muna kayo, kain tayo. The court will declare a lunch recess. We shall resume at 12:45.